Today in class, we will be demonstrating and developing reading skills like we have been doing all week, but this week we will print out and do a Google form that will be uploaded to your Google Classroom. So this week we have been learning about what foreshadowing is and how we can use it to determine the end of a story. Last week we read Little Red Riding Hood, and yesterday we did an activity that helps us recognize in different books that demonstrates foreshadowing and how to recognize those texts. We're going to complete a Google form that is 5 questions about Little Red Riding Hood and the foreshadowing used in the story. So here is a link to our Google form. So you'll click on the Google form and you'll answer your name in this text box. And then you'll answer these 5 questions about the Little Red Riding Hood story. And then you'll click the send or submit button and it'll send it right to the Google Classroom. So then you'll just submit it to the Google Classroom. And in our next lesson, we will be reading another short story and developing another reading skill called Developing the Plot with Different Plot Lines.